Hello, in front of me I have OnePlus Watch and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and how to turn off the silent mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch and we can press the upper button to do it. After you wake up the screen on your watch, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and find the option called sound and vibration and tap on it. And here you should see the option called mute mode. And this is the silent mode basically. If you enable it, basically by tapping on the switch, the silent mode will be enabled and you won't have any sounds coming from your watch. And if you disable it, you will have the sounds coming from your watch because the silent mode is disabled. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and disable the silent mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.